it's me again, and today we're gonna be making colored flowers with these white flowers. So the things that we will be needing are white flowers, food coloring with water, scissors, remember parent supervision. So you'll be getting one of your flowers. It's okay if it has a lot, doesn't matter. You're gonna be needing to cut around here. So you're gonna cut there. Like that. So we're gonna keep cutting more and more. So the next thing is food coloring. So you're gonna get your water. So you need 4 of them, 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna add each drop of food coloring. 2 drops of red. 1, 2. So we're gonna mix it up. If it's a little light, you could add more if you want. 2. That's perfect. The next one is gonna be green and then blue. 1, 2. Oh my god, that was so cool. Okay. Our last one. Woohoo! Okay. 1, 2. Oh, it looks cool. So when you're all done, so you already have blue. It looks like purple and caramel. Green, yellow, and red. You're gonna get your flowers and add them each. And there we go. So they're just starting off. Oh, I feel like it's gonna take 3 days to do it. Hi guys! So here I have my friends. So as you can see last video, we made these colored flowers. So we're gonna check the growth of them. So we're gonna first start with the red ones. So the red is starting to be colored, as you can see. So you can see some red there. Color. Yeah, red color. You can see. Now we're gonna start with yellow. I don't see it. So yellow you don't see much, but you see a little bit here. The green, I want to see the green. Oh, look at the green, it's rolling. Look at the green. Now here. Look at the green. And now the green. Green is just. Oh, and the blue too. Look at the blue. Oh yeah, and the blue is also like color. Bad, basic. So compared to the other ones, they're different. One of my friends took a red one and one of my friends took a blue one. This one was purple. Now it looks red to me because blue and red make purple. This one was in the purple. It looks like it had red. You can see there's some purple marks. But there's some blue type of marks. These are much shorter. These have not drank anything, by the way. Sucks to sucks. If you want to turn a white flower into colors, you just get a bunch of food coloring. You can make orange, yellow by mixing up. And they'll turn out like this. You can wait about 8 days something or 10 like I did. These actually took 4 and 3 days. Those took 10 days. These took very short days. And So subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up, and hit the bell and comment down below if you'd like to do this idea.